What is up? Happy Wednesday. Feliz miércoles, everybody. Todo el mundo. Que más? Que más? We are in Medellin, Colombia, and we are 1 minute away from the market open. Today, we are doing something a bit different. We are trading TOPSTEP funded accounts today. 5 TOPSTEP funded accounts. The market open. Let's go. Let's go. The market is open. What are we gonna get? So we just dipped into a 30-minute supply zone right here, right? Let me also reset this here. All right. That's reset, right? Reset that. So we why did that not reset? Hold on, man. Come on, I'll reset this thing. There we go. So we are in 30-minute demand right now. I don't know if I say supply or not, but 30-minute demand. We may push through it. Let's see what we get. But we pushed up, pre-market. So let's see. All right, point of control is now at 28,338.75. We're gonna trade some micros today, you guys. TOPSTEP has some different rules from Apex. So I normally do the Apex accounts here, but we're doing TOPSTEP today because I traded my Apex accounts in the overnight session, and if you can't make over 50% of your total profit with Apex. So I'm close to that amount. So I don't want to trade and go over the amount. So I gotta wait till tomorrow to trade Apex accounts because I came about $100 away from my max allowed amount. So I decided to trade these TOPSTEP funded accounts today. All right, so we're coming up off of out of demand and point of control. That's interesting. So let's see. I'm gonna put a 50 up here. Oh, what was it? No, well, so I want to go 50 to start with. All right, so we're coming up out of this demand zone a bit. Let's see how this volume is going to act. No major news ahead. Pull back into 388. Pull back into 388. We came out of that demand zone pretty nice. Limit price. Market. Let's go. You know what? Let me see. 10. All right, let's see if we get an entry here. Maybe I should go a little lighter for the first entry. Let's bring that back down to where it was. And but yeah, what's up, everybody? Yeah, man, still here, Colombia, hanging out. Man, that's a nice push out of that demand zone. But I like to wait for some confirmation. Of course, I wish I would have just took that, got in quickly, but gotta be careful getting in at the open. Gotta be a little careful. Gotta be careful. Right. Now we're gonna get. So right now, what I'm waiting for is a pullback. Oh, this is actually the 30-minute chart, you guys. Let's go over here to the 5 or the 1, actually. So here's that same demand zone on the 1-minute time frame. Right. I've got the 5-minute time frame on another monitor. Let's see what we can get here. That pushed up very nicely out of that demand zone. Yeah. If we get a pullback into then also might need to be a little patient too, because sometimes when the turn that down a little bit, ESPN, little NBA action. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the right trade. And guys, we're not going for a lot today. These are funded accounts, so we're not gonna go too aggressive. We just want to get a nice little hit on these accounts for the day. Let's go over here also to the. We have a. Let me see here. Let's go here. Today is Wednesday, so Monday, Tuesday. Now we have some more. We got some low volume in a few areas down below. So it doesn't really mean we're going to push up from here. We came out of that zone strongly, but I want to be a little careful about entering right here to go long, because I don't think. Let's see. We're pulling back nicely, but looking at these orders, that's not super convincing right now, though. I'll tell you what, though, if we, let's mark this up real quick here. If we break above this line, that's a different story. But I don't know, if we take longs, if we can't break above that blue line. So let's just hold our horses before we jump too quick to go long. So we can look at, so what we did here so far. Let's take another. Let's take a. Make that smaller, make the white line. Make it a dotted line. So this is structure. And we broke structure, right? With this price action. But this is also structure now. So let me just erase that. Let me clone this. Boom. Put it right there for me. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. Yeah. Okay. But let's see if we can break this structure. If so, we can look at some possible longs. If not, we will not look at longs. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do it. So, patience, baby, patience. We're above VWAP on the 5 minute, as you can see. So let's go to the 5 minute chart here. I could do a little split screen, couldn't I? But I don't really want to do a split screen. Yeah, I could. Yeah. That makes sense, right? Just have two views. 5 minute on the left, one on the right. We're gonna execute using the 1 minute. So we're on the 5 over here. So we're below. Why is it showing? Oh, I see. Let me see. Oh, why is it showing? 26. Something looks a little bit off on this thing right here. Why is that showing? Let's see. I'm just trying to see the. Why is that showing like that? All right, so we nope, didn't break above that line yet. Showing the oh well that. Let me just see something real quick. Well, I want to remove this VWAP. Let's clean this chart up a little bit because I don't understand. We're going to just clean that chart up. I'm on trading view over here anyway. And let's just get rid of this 5 minute chart. I got it up on another screen anyway. 1 minute, baby. All right. So let's see if we can break that. So we retested that line just now, as you can see. Let me see what it looks like on this one. Okay. Let me just see something real quick. I'm just trying to see why these are looking a little different. Okay. We'll put VWAP back up. What the heck is this line right here? I got lines, baby. I got lines everywhere. Get rid of that. All right, we pushed up above it, but we want to close above it, you know, convincingly, not just push through how we're doing now. Okay, so we may be able to get a nice long position. Let's see. But now we need to see where the entry would be to confirm this. Still want to see us go above it a little bit more. So we broke our first structure point. I just want to make this a shorter line. I don't want this line to be like that. So I'm right about there. clone. Okay, so we broke 2 points of structure. All right. And we're going to label this BOS for break of structure. Break of structure 1. BOS 2. Okay. Now we want to see if we can get a good long entry here. But the pullback is what we want. We want the pullback. And now at this point, that's a deep pullback. But if we can get, gotta wait for the pullback. If we get it. Ooh, man. That came out of that demand zone. Nice. Didn't it? I mean, didn't it? Like, goodness gracious. Man. Let's do a point of controls down here at 446. All right. 57. See if we can get along at 50. Let's try 58 actually. If we get 58, anywhere in the 50s, actually 56. Maybe we can get 54. Let's see. If we can go along here in this range, I'm interested. In the mid 50s. Can we get the mid 50s? Let's put a we're gonna have our stop loss at 36. Just right about here for our stop loss. What the bro. Stop loss, we're risking 20 points. Almost got filled. Let's see if we can get in here, you guys. Let's see if we can get filled on. We're at 28,456.25 for the first entry.
Order filled.
Oh, I got the brackets up there too for $200 take profit. Automatic. So I didn't have to do this right here, did I? $100 risk. But if we get a pop up here to 506, we'll be $200 on the day. See if we can get it. And we can move this bad boy on up. Risk $100. We'll leave. Well, let's just leave. Let's just hands off this trade. Hands off, hands off, hands off. Come on, let's give me the 200. Get the 200. Get on up there. This stop loss, actually, this is a pretty good stop loss. I like the stop loss. Thinking about going to another, adding a position, but we can get 200, you know what I'm saying? We might come down here to 54. 54 we might come down to. We broke the structure, so up $50. Let me.
Order filled.
Add a position right there. Come on now.
Order filled.
Well then. Dang, man. Did me like that? For real? Yeah. $150 loss. Well, did me like that though? Dang. What was that about? I ain't want to go up too. That was dirty. That was like, do you guys see that? That was dirty. Playing dirty. That's playing dirty right there. That's playing dirty. Like, let's just stop everybody out real quick. That's it. Wow. Okay. Well, let's keep it moving, baby. Let's go. All right. It happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. There's nothing to do about it but have a stop loss and protect your profit. And we had a stop loss. Oh, let's make it up. Let's see what we got. Let's go to this here. Check out this. Man, look at this. Now it wants to go right up to where pretty much where my take profit was going to be. After it said, let me get that quick 150 from you, buddy. Let me get that 150 from you, bro. Down 150 on the day, everybody. Right to my take profit. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we get, man. Let's see what else we can. But we got some overnight lows that didn't get taken out. Just wondering. So I was. Alright, let me see what we can do, man. What can we do? What can we do? Push down here. Pull back. 191 pull back. I like 190 for shorts right here. 190, if we can pull back to 190. $189. I like 180. Let's go right about 188. We can put a stop loss about 10 points away. No more than 10, about 20. See if we can get filled right there. I like that for an entry. How do I keep putting the thing up there like that? See if we can get filled up there, baby. Come on. Almost got in. I like that entry.
Order filled.
Right there, man. Come on, bro. Like, yo. I like the shorts up here.
Order filled.
I like the shorts in that area.
Order filled.
short, baby. I like where we are. See if we can flush down to, at least flush down to 413. Come on, do the same thing you did a little while ago. You stop me out.
Order filled.
75. Flush. 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 Come on, sellers. Flush, man. Flush. So we're at a little above. We're up now. We lost 159. We're up 215 right now, so we're a little above break even. But we can flush down here. Bring this thing up here, you think? Should I just take the profit here, you guys? Or should I leave where it is? Should I bring this up here? Or should I leave this where it is? That's a difference of about 25 points. And I said I was going to be more patient and try to stay in these plays. But I'm going to, can we flush? Can we flush? Does that 1 minute? Lock in some profit. Okay. VWAP. Gotta be careful here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Popping me new pair of shoes. Popping me new pair of shoes now. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, you mother lover.
Order filled.
All right. Well, 261 on the day. I did say early in the stream that I was going for just a quick, 200 plus dollars. We lost 150 on the first trade, but plus 260 times 5 funded accounts. I think we could go ahead and wrap her up on that. You know what I'm saying? No point in trying to get back in at this point. But yeah, you guys saw why. And then actually, I wanted to go ahead and lock that in because we were getting down here to VWAP on this 1 minute chart. So I didn't really want to risk it, even though I think we're going to continue to flush. Just wanted to take some profit off of the table. So it's probably going to keep flushing though. We're probably going to keep flushing. Yep, a little bit more. Ooh, look at that. All right. But we did what we had to do, and that was get a green day. So, yeah. That's cool, man. We did, so 260 times 5, man, on the day. It's all good. We'll see you guys tomorrow on Thursday. Happy trading to you. Happy trading. Adios, mis amigos.